Are you tired of feeling like a heavy iron statue trying to move through a world of magnets? We've all been there, crashing harder than an old computer right when you need to be at your best. But energy isn't a quick hack, it's a biological system. Today we're ditching the temporary fixes and building a sustainable battery that actually lasts. Energy isn't a mystery, it's architecture. To build a day that doesn't crash, you need 3 pillars. First, the slow burn base. These are your complex carbs. Think steel-cut oats, quinoa, or sweet potatoes. They provide the steady foundation that keeps your energy meter in the green. Second, the brain and muscle builders. Lean proteins like eggs, Greek yogurt, or tofu keep your neurotransmitters firing. They are the personal trainers for your brain. Third, the performance optimizers. Healthy fats like avocado, walnuts, and olive oil are premium fuel for your human engine. They keep the gears turning smoothly behind the scenes. Let's look at your daily strategy. For your early day fuel, combine textures. A bowl of oats topped with chia seeds and berries creates stamina that lasts until noon without the heavy fog. For your midday refuel, focus on color and density. A big bowl of leafy greens, roasted chickpeas, and a lemon tahini drizzle is nature's artwork. It's loaded with fiber to keep you stable. The strategy: always pair a base with a builder. When you combine fiber with protein, you create energy stability that would make a Saiyan jealous. Caffeine is a tool, not a personality trait. Use it to ride the natural wave of your morning biology. But as the sun goes down, avoid the caffeine war, or your sleep sanctuary will pay the price. The pro move: never let your caffeine travel alone. Give it a responsible friend, like a handful of almonds or an apple slice. This prevents the jitters and stops the crash. When you treat stimulants with respect, they stop being a crutch and start being a catalyst. Your energy shouldn't be a roller coaster designed by someone who hates humanity. It's a custom equation that you control. Build your foundation, protect your sanctuary, and fuel for the life you want to lead. If this blueprint helped you find your second wind, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your go-to energy-boosting snack?
We at Human Help are dedicated to bring joy to our fellow humans.